Hey guys, just want to come up with a quick tutorial video today on showing you guys how to add Discord announcement channels to your own service. And what's really good about Discord announcement channels is it allows it so specific users in your service can follow a certain channel without having to deal or read through all the other shit or get notifications for everything. So as a streamer myself, I think having it for my Twitch live announcements and some of my stream highlights has been like really useful for having people follow the specific content that I'm producing, but not having to read over all the chat and all the other stuff, right? So you can kind of see it's a little bit different from your standard text channels and your voice channels, because you've got this actual announcement kind of icon, and you've also got this little follow icon here, which allows you to be able to follow it. So what's really cool about the follow function is you get to add them to your own server. So let's just say you're not part of my Discord server. Please join. But if you're, when you have your own servers, you can choose specific announcement servers to be able to add to your own. So I've got like this little test server here, right? And this little server here called Yes. And it's just an example. Let's say I want to follow my stream highlights specifically to my test server, right? And I just put this under the channel Yes. So you choose what server and you choose what channel you want to start following it into, right? So now I can kind of be something, I can do something like, hey there, YouTube. And when I post this, you now can see that I can have the option to share this with my followers. So now when I click publish, yes, I'm gonna confirm this. I now have another notification on my Yes channel, which specifically comes from my stream channel. So yeah, that's the whole appeal. You can see announcements from your own Discord channels, whereas they're all coming from somewhere else. So yeah, there's a lot of uses for this. A lot of people think that you got to be like partnered with Discord or affiliated to be able to get this, but they released this new update which lets you do it for free, and I'm going to show you guys how. Really nice and easy. So in order to do this, you go over to your server and you go over here to server settings. There's this function here called community, and this is where you're going to set it up. I've already done it on this server, so it doesn't, like, it's not going to show up. So what I'll do is I'll quickly make a new server, kind of give you guys a bit of an idea. So I'll be like, oh hi YouTube. Alright, so a new server up and running, and just ignore this. We will quickly add a new server. Oh, whoop, that's not right. Alright, so we quickly go over here to server settings, and now under community you can see you have this option to now enable community. And yeah, I would highly recommend this for anyone out there who wants to just make use and have more access to better Discord features. It's totally free, so I can't see why not. It's going to verify your email. Pretty much just click next. It's going to ask for a rule or guidelines thing. I'm just going to have it create one for me, but you can choose whatever you want. You also need a moderator channel, but it's not a big deal. Just have it do it for you. These two settings here I think are quite important. So with these notifications here, it makes it so your notifications only apply to people who are atted, so not everyone gets spammed every time a message is sent. The notifications are only sent when someone is specifically called out. And make sure you guys follow the rules and finish that up. That's it. Now that you're done, that's pretty much it. All you gotta do here is you gotta create a new channel, and you can create your own announcement channel. So now I can be like, oh my god. So now we have a new announcement channel, just like that. And it's followable, as you can see, and that's all good. Alright, so for anyone here who's made it this far into the video, I'll teach you guys another really quick nifty trick. Let's say you don't really want to create a new channel, but you want to change one of your channels into an announcement one. You can do that too. So let's say I have a stream schedule here, right? This is usually when I'm streaming throughout the week, and I want to turn this into an announcement channel. You go towards the edit channel cog, and once you've got a community Discord server running, you now have the option to be able to tick this announcement channel, which straight up just lets you automatically convert it. So I go head back and bam, stream schedule is now an announcement channel, and it's now followable. And yeah, that's all it is. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I stream on Monday, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. Please check me out. And yeah, I know if you enjoyed, you can like, subscribe, and do all this stuff to help this friendly neighborhood Chinaman. Bye. Come here, what are you gonna do, huh? Kill me? Huh? You like that? You like that, chat? He jumped over it! He jumped over it! Oh my god!